I made a statement in church the other day. I said to have the potential of a nuclear bomb and die like a knockout would be a tragedy, because who we are as believer, that can a little bit describe it. Jesus himself in Matthew 5:13, he said, you are the salt of the earth. He didn't say you are going to be the salt of the earth. He didn't say if you pray enough, you become the salt of the earth. He didn't say if you fast enough, you become the salt of the earth. He said you are because you believe in me. If Jesus said you are the salt of the earth, it's not something to joke with. It's a word that you can take beyond the bank, not just to the bank. If there's a part of Christianity that I enjoy, is the integrity of the word of God. I say it repeatedly, that the most dangerous man on earth is the man who has heard God. The man who has heard God, it becomes like a bulldozer that the brake has failed. You can't really be stopped by anybody.